Hi everyone, I'm Sharath here. These days I'm observing a lot of discussions in social media, in different NEET groups and Quora about repeating NEET. Should I drop in here? All those discussions are going on. See, it's about your priority, it's about your passion, it's about how determined you are about your goal. Age is just a number. It is not about whether you are 1 year late to MBBS or 2 year late to MBBS. Okay, it is about where you will be after 10 years or after 15 years. Okay, we never know how many years we live. Okay, so there is no point in giving so much importance to age. Age is just a number. Okay, the other day I was talking to a parent and he was very sad about the fact that his daughter got a engineering seat and she's not taking it because she wanted to become a doctor and she's missing a medical seat by a small fraction. Like she has scored around 460 marks and general merit cutoff in Karnataka is around 500 and 514 this year, maybe in 2021. And the parent was sad and I asked him, see, at the age of 18 or 19, your daughter is so matured, so determined that she has set a goal already. So it is something to be proud of. Okay, so you have to encourage her because your daughter is mature enough about her academics at the age of 18. Okay, so you have to appreciate her and you have to support her, I told. Okay, and there are many reasons why one cannot clear NEET in first attempt. Maybe it is due to pandemic in last 2 years, or sometimes in high school days most of the students will not get proper fundamentals. Okay, so in 8th, 9th, 10th, whatever you study in 8th, 9th, 10th, same things they come in your second PU also. If your high school fundamentals are not good, and it becomes very difficult for a student to cope up with the subject in class 11 and class 12. Especially in last 2 years, what happened is, for the students who did not get a proper fundamental in their high schools, they did not get proper teaching in class 11 and class 12 also. So they have suffered a lot. Okay, and in different states, in different districts, in different schools, in different colleges and different coaching centers, the level of teaching is not uniform. So in a country like India, one can never give equal common platform for a student in competing NEET. So it is fair enough to give repeated chances for NEET aspirants. And if you repeat NEET, so there are many advantages that you don't have to read your language classes, you don't have to do lab stuff and all, and you will be very much determined. Okay, and you will get lot of time to solve more and more number of problems so that a similar problem comes in a NEET examination. Okay, all those facts are there. And when you are repeating NEET, you have to concentrate more on physics and chemistry because biology, as everyone knows, that it is a universal truth that every question in NEET biology will come in from NCERT textbook. So as far as inorganic chemistry and organic is concerned, still you can believe NCERT and you have to solve some questions. But as far as physics is concerned, so if you look at the level of questions in 2020 NEET and 2021 NEET, 2021 NEET was a little tougher. So we have to always be prepared for the worst situation. And you know the cutoff, even in the state like Karnataka, the cutoff is still around 515 and 520 for general merit. So next year definitely, as the number of repeaters is increasing, cutoff will increase. So even if you score 360 out of 360 in biology, so you are still 200, roughly 200 marks, 200 marks behind your cutoff. So you have to perform well in physics and chemistry. So while preparation, so you have to give more importance to physics. Say for example, say you have 60 questions in biology. Say you will solve it in 60 minutes. Okay. If you have 60 problems in physics, you cannot solve in 60 minutes. Maybe say for example, you will solve 10 problems in 60 minutes. Then what is the ratio? 60:1. That means if you can cover 60 questions of biology in 1 hour, you can cover 10 problems of physics in 1 hour. So the time allotment, management should be in the ratio 1:6. If you read 1 hour biology, you have to read 6 hours physics. Like that, you have to do the planning and timetable. It is not like in high school days we were doing morning 9 to 10 physics, then 10 to 11 chemistry, 11 to 12 biology. It is not like that. So you identify the subject wherein you are weak, give more time. And while preparation, you have to concentrate more on techniques of problem solving. uh, Problem solving is a very very important aspect. So techniques means what? Say for example, you want to find the percentage change. So there is a formula. So initial minus final divided by initial multiplied by 100. So it is a technique. Say you want to find out percentage change in money. Say for example, now today you have 1000 rupees in your bank account, and after 10 days you have 500 rupees. Then how to calculate percentage change? Initial minus final divided by initial multiplied by 100. So 1000 minus 500, that is 500. 500 divided by 1000, that is half into 100 is 50 percentage. So the same technique can be used to calculate percentage change in force, percentage change in momentum, percentage change in kinetic energy, percentage change in capacitance. See, the technique is same, the concepts are different. And in the beginning, while solving physics problems, you will have issues in concepts, techniques, and problem solving speed. As you prepare, as you start preparing, so you will not have problems in problem solving speed. You will not be having problems with techniques. Okay, so when you go to the sixth chapter or second chapter, you just have to study the concepts because you know all the techniques. Okay, so you have to be very careful. And so I'll give you a thumbs up. Okay, if you are planning to repeat NEET, you can definitely go ahead, because as I've already told you, age is just a number. It is just about your goal. It's just about your passion. All the best for your NEET examination.